Let's talk about the thing that separates a post that just gets likes from a post that actually makes you money. It's called a CTA. And if you don't know what that is, or if you're not using it consistently, you're leaving serious money on the table. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what a CTA is, how to use it, and examples you can start adding to your posts today. A CTA, or call to action, is simply telling your audience what you want them to do next. Think of it like directions on a GPS. Without it, your audience just scrolls right past you. With it, you guide them to the next step. A CTA can be as simple as click the link in bio, comment ready if you want more info, or even share this with someone who needs it. It's not pushy, it's clarity. People don't act unless you tell them exactly how. Imagine running an ad, creating content, or even giving away free value, and then just ending it with silence. That's what happens when you don't use CTAs. Here's the truth. Attention is the new currency. If someone stops scrolling to listen to you, you must guide that attention. CTAs move people from stranger to follower, follower to lead, lead to customer. It's literally the bridge from free content to paid income. Okay, let's get practical. Here are 5 CTAs you can copy-paste today. Comment info if you want the details. DM me system and I'll show you how I work just 2 hours a day. Save this post so you can come back to it later. Click the link in my bio to grab your free guide. Share this video with a friend who needs it. See how simple that is? CTAs don't have to be fancy. They just need to be consistent. Every post, every video, every email should end with one clear action. One of the biggest mistakes people make? Giving too many CTAs. If you say, comment below, like, share, click my bio, DM me, and subscribe, your audience freezes. Too many options air no action. Stick to one clear CTA per piece of content. So now you know. CTA means call to action. It's not just marketing jargon, it's the single most important part of your post if you want to make money online. If you're ready to learn how I turn my CTAs into consistent online income, hit the subscribe button and comment the word system. I'll send you my exact workflow.